Hello everyone, today's video will be about biology and it's the first unit, which is about biology and technology. And this unit mainly deals about the contribution of biology for the development of Ethiopia and the several technological products that biology uses, and we will be looking at those technological products in this video. So, biology for development. Biological studies in general contribute for the development of a country in many aspects. That may be through agriculture or healthcare, and we will be looking at them throughout this video. Biology plays a role in the following areas of developmental activities. The first one we'll be looking at is healthcare. So, a question we should ask ourselves is, what is the contribution of biology for community health? Or how is it that biology leads to the development of a country through the healthcare system? Ask yourselves that question and try to answer this question after this video. In a country where health conditions are better, people live safer, longer, and reduce incidence of diseases, and thus they can work more and become more productive. Biology is the basis for all healthcare activities. So, the healthcare activities in a country are based on biology. So, ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ያሉት healthcare facilities they have skilled professionals, and እነሱ they work on diagnosis, treatment, prevention, and control of diseases. Diagnosis is the identification of the disease. Treatment is trying to treat the disease or trying to find a cure for it. Prevention is በሽታው ሳያጠቃም በፊት መከላከል and control of the diseases እና አሁን የጠቀስኳቸውን ፖይንቶች እነዚህ ስራዎች የሚያካሂዱት እንትን healthcare workers ናቸው እና እነዚህ healthcare workers, medical doctors, nurses or laboratory technicians ናቸው. And all physicians, nurses, laboratory technicians, or ሌሎች healthcare professionals, እነዚህ they are trained in biology. So this is what I'm talking about. They are trained in the field of biology. So እነዚህ healthcare professionals, they work on diagnosis, treatment, prevention, and control of diseases. እና እነዚህ ምንድነው? They are based on biology. ምክንያቱም these healthcare professionals ምንድነው የሚያጠኑት? Their field of study is based on biology. And these professionals serve in several hospitals, clinics, and other healthcare centers in Ethiopia or any other country. And so, the first point of this lesson was biology and development, right? And now let's look at the relationship between biology and development. How እንዴት ነው biology ለካንትሪ ዴቨሎፕመንት ሊያመጣ የሚችለው? መጀመሪያ if a person, let's say a person has biological knowledge, and when he has that biological knowledge, he can become a healthcare professional. Because a professional ሲሆን he can diagnose, treat, prevent or control diseases. ያኔ ደግሞ እንደዛ ሲፈጠር እና እንደዛ ሲያደርግ healthy people አሉ ማለት ነው እዛ ሶሳይቲ ውስጥ እና እነዛ healthy people ደግሞ they can work and produce more and become productive እና እነሱ ደግሞ productive የሆኑ ሰዎች ደግሞ they become እንትን income increase ያደርጋሉ እና standard of living ይሻሻላል, so which means it leads to development. So indirectly, biological knowledge is leading to development of a country. So look at this uh, activity and try to do it. Now, the second one is through agriculture. We'll be looking at how development can be achieved through biology in the field of agriculture. So, agriculture, right? How is it related to biology? How does biology affect agriculture? So, agriculture plays an important role in Ethiopian economy. As we may all know, Ethiopia is an agricultural country and heavily depends on agriculture for its income, and its economy depends on it. So we have to become agriculturally productive um, to generate more income for this country. So we can generate that income بنتن export into coffeeዎች, grainoች, flowers and fruits or any agriculturally produced የሚደረጉትን ፕሮዳክቶች ኤክስፖርት በማድረግ ኢንካም ጀነሬት ማድረግ እንችላለን። እና agriculture ምንድነው? በቃ produce crops or raising animals ነው agriculture ማለት። እና improving quality of crops and animals needs better knowledge of biology so that to increase productivity. So ምንድነው ባዮሎጂ የባዮሎጂ ኖሌጅ ያስፈልገናል። ዝም ብለን ያለ እውቀት ማሻሻል አንችልም agricultural productivity። እና አሁን የምናየው what are agrochemicals? እነዚህ እንትን ናቸው these agrochemicals ለእንትን ለagricultural productivity increase ያደርግልናል። እና እነዚህ agrochemicals የሚባሉት እነ fertilizers, herbicides እና pesticides ናቸው። Fertilizers እነዚህ the chemicals that supply plants with nutrients. Herbicides ደግሞ weed killers ናቸው። Pesticides ደግሞ pest killers ናቸው። እና biological knowledge apply አድርገን እነዚህን agrochemicals effectively ከተጠቀምናቸው production increase ማድረግ እንችላለን። However ግን the negative impact of the agrochemical ምንድነው? ፕላንቶቹ የbody of plants ላይ accumulated ሊሆን ይችላል። ምንድነው? ፕላንቶቹ እነዚህ agrochemicals ስንረጭባቸው እንትን የሚያደርጉት accumulate የሚያደርጉት እነዚህ ፕላንቶች accumulate የሚያደርጉት በአኒማሎች consume ይደረጋሉ። ሂውመኖች ደግሞ አኒማሎች consume or ፕላንቶችን directly consume ማድረግ ይችላሉ። እና እነዚህ እንትን they increase chemical concentration increase ያደርጋሉ in many folds። እና እነዚህ chemical accumulation ደግሞ serious የሆነ health problems ሊያመጣ ይችላል። እና this is the negative impact። እና እነዚህ ፕላንቶቹ ላይ ፕላንቶቹ ላይ የቀሩት እነዚህ agrochemicals እንደ ፉድ ነው የምንጠቀማቸው። እና ኬሚካሉ እኛ ላይ ነው የሚቀረው እና health problem ሊያደርስብን ይችላል። That's it. And looking at the key point, agrochemical ምንድነው? Chemicals used for agriculture such as fertilizers, weed and pest killers. እና እነዚህ ደግሞ key poinቶቹን እነዚህን ካየን በኋላ we'll look at them. So selective breeding እና genetically modified crops አሁን እናያለን። What is selective breeding of animals? Selective breeding of animals ምንድነው? It's a practice in which እኛ biological knowledgeአችን ተጠቅመን we apply it in animal husbandry. So animal husbandry is just um, breeding or cultivation of plants and animals. እሱ ነው። So እሱ area ላይ our biological knowledge apply ማድረግ ነው። And so how might we apply that biological knowledge? So first we have to know እንትን ምን እንደምንፈልግ. So we need more እንትን quality ያለው meat, more meat, ለዲዚዝ resistant የሆነ ዝም ብሎ ደካማ ቶሎ በበሽታ የሚጠቃ animaloች አንፈልግም. We need more meat and high quality and ብዙ ወተት መስጠት የሚችሉ animaloች ነው እንደዚህ አይነት ኳሊቲዎች ያላቸው animaloች ነው ፕሮዲውስ ማድረግ የምንፈልገው. So እነዚህ desired የሆኑ characteristicsዎችን ፕሮዲውስ ያላቸው እነዚህ characteristics ያላቸው animalዎችን ፕሮዲውስ ለማድረግ we can use our knowledge of biology. And now, so how is it we can do that is we can select and reproduce them in large amounts. And selective breeding practices are also conducted to produce plants with desired qualities. ለአኒማል ብቻ አይደለም selective breeding plantዎችንም we can selectively breed them. Breeding is a practice of selective controlled mating in plants and animals to produce organisms that better serve the human needs for food, work, sport, aesthetics. So ምንድነው በቀላሉ እኛ የምንፈልጋቸው or human needs like or any human need in general እነሱን human needoቻችን ለማሟላት የሚያስችሉ animaloች or plantዎች produce ማድረግ ነው. So እነዚህን needoች ለማሟላት animaloች ወይ plantዎች ላይገኙ ይችላሉ. So እነዚህን plantዎች or animaloች እንዴት ነው produce ማድረግ የምንችለው? By mating them. ከዚህኛው plant ከዚህኛው animal የፈለግነው ነገር አለ. ይሄኛው animal በደንብ ፕሮዲውስ ያደርጋል ሚት ይሄኛው ደግሞ ዲዚዝ ሬዚስታንት ነው ስለዚህ ድራውት ሬዚስታንቱ ከሃይ ኳሊቲ ሚት ፕሮዲውስ የሚያደርገው ጋር ሁለቱን አንድ ላይ ፈለግን ሶ እነሱን ሜት በማድረግ የፈለግነውን አይነት ኳሊቲ ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው this is breeding እና so አሁን ይሄ ያልኳችሁ ነው እንትን ነው we የምንፈልጋቸው traits we look in plants or animals እነሱን traits ካገኘን በኋላ እነሱን ሜት ማድረግ ነው አንደኛ superior ሊሆን ይችላል የምንፈልገው ኳሊቲ እና የምንፈልጋቸውን ኳሊቲዎች ፈልገን ካገኘን በኋላ እነሱን ሜት ማድረግ ነው and hybrid ደግሞ የበለጠ superior quality ያለው because እሱ ነው እንትን breed የተደረገው hybrid ነው እሱ superior qualityዎች አሉት እና የበለጠ yield ያደርጋል እና it's agriculturally beneficial አሁን ደግሞ ምንድነው genetically modified crops እነዚህ ምንድናቸው genetic engineering ተጠቅመን የምንፈልገው characteristics የያዘ organism produce ማድረግ ነው or high yield small plant ማግኘት ነው genetic engineering በመጠቀም አሁን ደግሞ back to our key point selective breeding and hybrid selective breeding ምንድነው a practice during which selected two individuals mate and produce offspring with improved qualities ምንፈልጋቸውን ኳሊቲዎች produce የሚያደርጉ እንትኖችን ሜት አድርገን offspring produce ማድረግ ነው ያ offspring ደግሞ ምንድነው it's the hybrid so with a superior quality so that is it for this video and don't forget to subscribe and share and hit that like button if you've enjoyed this video